My name is Sandy Lee, and I graduated in 1999. I work at the Paul Merage School of Business as the Young Alumni Engagement Manager. Zot, zot, zot. When I love something, I really share my love. This is my UCI collection, and I think my husband told me to stop. There's so many opportunities to donate to UCI to support all the great programs. I personally give because I feel like I have the opportunity to pay it forward. I work with students and alumni, so I see the impact that it can make on students. I wouldn't have been able to complete college or even go to college if it weren't for financial support. I give to the Chow Family Cancer Center because it's meaningful and personal to me because I'm a cancer survivor. I think this is a way for me to give back to the opportunity that was given to me, and hopefully my small contributions can further their research in finding the cure for cancer. I may not have the means to donate thousands and millions or whatever, but I know that I'm that one small part in giving that can make a big difference. Big or small, it's contributing to a brilliant future for UCI. When I do give, I get this feeling of happiness, and giving is happiness.